Hey, how's it going there, folks? Willie Pat here. It's been quite a while, I know. Sorry, been very busy with work, but in addition to that, my phone hasn't been working very well. The record function was screwed up. It would do it once in a while. Anyway, I figured before the warranty expired, I would go ahead and get it fixed, and I did, and it seems to be working fine now. So I'm going to do REM South Central Rain. Granted, it's very rough. I just learned it, so hope you enjoy it.
Wash away, build yourself another dream. This choice isn't mine. Sorry, 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 sorry.
Wow, I do not know how that song ends, but I hope you liked it anyway. Bye.